Hi there, it's Sam from poodles.co.uk. Thank you very much for joining me today. Today's project is this one. It's my animal outing road trip bag. Now, if you're like me, you have small children, you go on car journeys and they might be taking devices with them, you know, handheld devices. My boys do, and actually they're very good. They put, all four of them put headphones in, but it seems like a never ending, have you got any sweets? Have you got a drink? Have you got a tissue? Have you got a, whatever it is. One of these bags, and you can load some treats in it, and you can just, you know, I tend to put things on their seat, so as they get in the car they go, "Oh, Mum, thank you!" and they're very, very happy and excited. But you can make them in advance because they fold flat, and I just think they're cute. So yeah, my boys, they're very good on car journeys. Like I say, they do, they just all plug in whatever device they're doing, play games and what have you, and then stick headphones in. But you know, it just seems to be every 20 minutes. One of them, one or other, or all of them will say, "Have you got anything to eat? Can we have a stop?" Sweeties, treats, little bits in there. Oh, for goodness sake, I've got a kitten walking across my paper racks. Right, so, Animal Expedition, just gorgeous. Love, love, love this treat. So I'm starting with 12 by 12 inch cardstock. Paper, it's paper. Samantha, it is paper. 12 by 12 inches, 30.5 by 30.5 centimetres. So on the first side, so the side that you want to have facing you, start with that one first at 2 inches and 10 inches, and that is 5 and 25 centimetres. Turn it round and score it at 5 inches and 7 inches, and that is 12.5 and 17.5 centimetres. Super easy. Postman's just pulled up outside. Shall we place our bets as to whether he's going to ring the doorbell? Okay. So fold and gently burnish. I'm looking out the window just to think, oh, do I need to press pause and then splice together? Okay, so what you can see here, hopefully, is a square. I need to make that line there line up to this one, and do not make the mistake of crossing into you're not making your your square a diagonal shape. You're actually making the, what's the word, the diagonal line there. So take this one and line it up to there. I really do hope you can see. I will have to probably do it and show you afterwards. And don't worry about whether it's inside out or the right way around. So I've put in my crease, and you can see that it lines up. This here lines up with that one. And just do the same on the other side. Like I say, my school lines are going to be facing the wrong way at the moment, but I'm not worried about that right now. Okay. And the same over here. You see, I'm going to do it the right way round now. Fold it over and fold it back. Whatever it makes it easier for you. And just line up those edges. It's fine, because this one's going to pop back in the other way anyway. Okay. As I said, it actually doesn't matter which way round you go. Okay, so hopefully you can see this sort of shape here. That's where you're going to put your glue. Up to you whether you use, you know, a strong adhesive, but actually snail will work. Snail is brilliant on paper to paper. Do not put glue on this triangular part here, so it's on that bit. It's only this part, and you just fold it over. Press down and reinforce with your bone folder, and it's open there. And then exactly the same on the other side. I'm tipping it in the light, so I'm hoping you can see. So it's just this part. And then again, simply fold over. And that's your bag made, because when you open it like that, oops, you open it like that, and close it up at the top. A couple of clips and your bag is made. So I'm going to get my clips. Have you seen my little cubby thingy? Love my cubby thingy. Brilliant. I can see all my stuff at a glance. Oh, I might put library clips on this one. I remember to use them when I can see them. Anybody else like me? If you can't see it, forget to remember. Now, all my stamps and ribbons and everything are out and on display. I just need to find a solution for my rhinestones and stuff. There is one way round that's the right way up, and the other way is upside down, unless you're a sloth. So that's the right way up. Okay, so we've got matching stamp set and die. So Animal Outing, Animal Friends, and I'm going to use blends on this one. Oh, which one do I go for? I think I might go for the kangaroo with the koala in her tummy. Because, you know, why not? Kangaroo carrying a koala in her pouch. Pouch, not tummy. Oh! Okay. I'm going to find some Whisper White. Is she going to be big enough on there? Yeah, that's fine. So, memento. Twist, tap, tap is the technique. And onto there. And I'm going to die cut her afterwards. And, oh, what colour shall I use? Crumb Cake and Smoky Slate. So, for me, my method is, oh, let me zoom in. Oh, I do hope I remember to zoom back out again. My method is actually to sit with the lids off on these. Wrong end. So, I keep my the light in my right hand, and I go for the fatter end. And I work in sections, and actually, to be fair, it's quite good because, and I'm not going right up to the edge. Does she have a white tummy? She has a pale brown tummy. We've already got shading on these. So you don't have to work overly hard because there's a lot of the shading is done. Oh, I've just gone over the line. Okay. I'm going to come back in with the koala. That's so cute. I think that's great because it sort of signifies everybody's a friend, we'll look after everyone. In with the darker one, just in certain places. Back in with the lighter one. And blend it out. So cute. Then I'm going to come around just on the edge a little bit. So again, the darker one. And blend again. It's a very peaceful, therapeutic kind of colouring in using blends, because you just have to keep going back in and it's quite rhythmic. Go in and out and overlay and add a bit more, come back in, a little bit more on the edges. And just very peaceful and quiet, and you kind of almost can't think about anything else. So, kind of think she's done. I want to blend that a little bit more, I think. Oh! Came in with the dark. Okay, this will be fun. So I'm using my colour lifter. That was not that was an accident. That was not meant to happen. Hope I can get that fixed up. The colour lifter is going to move everything. She might just have to have an off-coloured belly. So I'm going to pop my lids back on and do the koala. He's quite small, actually, into her nose. I think he has the darkness in his nose, doesn't he? Just a little bit in his nose, make that a little darker. And then, see if I can fix this. Oh, let's hope I can. Yes. There we go. That was a save there. And then I zoom out. I hope it focuses again. There we go. I've got the framelits to match. So there's the kangaroo. And I'm just grabbing the plates. Magnetic platform, base plate, cardstock, framelit, and you do not want to not use a magnetic platform. Plate over the top. So I'm just going to run this through my big shot. Yep, that's all cut out okay. Pop it out, put those away. You do not want to lose your framelits. And ready to go on here. So on my other one I stamped on it. So I stamped Wild About You, which is from the same set. And I simply chose whichever one I fancied. Measured it and cut it out, and it kind of is dependent on who you're gifting it to and for what purpose. But I just think that is a really cute, whoops, and a great way to put little treats in for a road trip gift. And like I say, when I'm prepping for a road trip with my boys, you know, if we're going up to visit my parents in Wales or we're going out for the day, the night before I make sure I've got all of the, you know, all of their devices and stuff ready, wires, spare charging wires and everything, and then I go and put them on their seats in the car, because they've all got their own separate seats. They know they all sit in certain places, and I go and put things. So this would be great just to, you know, line them up on their chairs, and they'd get in the car and they'd be calm straight away. Anyway, thank you ever so much for joining me. Hope to speak to you soon. Bye.